Hello and welcome to the 17th tutorial in the jQuery basic series, and we're going to be looking at CSS classes. We'll be using the source code from part 2 of the series. If you haven't done it or you don't have the source code anymore, don't worry, there'll be a link in the description to the source code where you can implement it directly into your own project. With jQuery, it is easy to manipulate the CSS of elements, so aka we're going to be looking at manipulating the classes of elements. The three main methods we'll be looking at is add class, which adds one or more classes to a selected element; remove class, as you guessed, it removes one or more classes from the selected elements; and toggle class, which toggle between adding or removing classes from the selected element depending on whether it has or doesn't have that class. So what you want to do is just open up your HTML file. Also open up your JavaScript file where the ready function is. Put this in the same window. Just close this off. And what you want to do is create a button. First one, we will have an ID, and the ID will be add. I'm going to actually put some text inside as well. And we'll change this one to remove. Put the text remove inside. Change this to toggle and add the text toggle inside. And finally, we're just going to put a div element. And for the div element, we are going to put inside hello world. We'll do $, it's jQuery. The selector will be hash add dot click function. Is there the right number of brackets? No, there is not. There is an extra bracket which we do not want. We're going to do $, again as it's jQuery, and we're going to be just selecting the div tag or divs in general. Dot add class. We're going to put new. One thing I forgot to do was add some styling in here, so we'll do style. And for this, we're going to do dot new, and we're going to put color red. So we'll be actually adding this class to the div tag, so the text color will be red. We can just copy and paste this now. Change this to remove. Change add class to remove class. And finally, we can change this to toggle and change this to toggle class. Save it. Open this up in a web browser. And now, actually, I will right click inspect elements so you can actually see the element itself. We click add. It adds a class of new and it applies the styling of the new class, which is red. We can remove it. If we click remove multiple times, nothing happens. It's already been removed once. Even though it says class there, that's going to remain, but the actual class is no longer equipped with this, or assigned, I should say. You can click add multiple times, but nothing will happen. You can click toggle, which will just toggle between whether it's on or off, and then you can use these as well accordingly. So that's it for CSS classes. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at how to actually return and set CSS properties within jQuery. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystem.co.uk. There will be a link to the email in the description. You can comment on this video or directly message us via YouTube. All the required links for source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thanks for watching and have a nice day.